Return back into the wild, and a wild Tucker appeared. Whoa! Oh yeah, I killed a daddy long leg, and I spilled my poor chocolate. Hopefully you won't get it, or you won't get it. Also, I have a new invention that absolutely no one can steal. It is called the side coat. It's the best invention to drop your coat. All you need to do is grab a coat and then just toss it on the ground. And that's how you make the side coat. It's the best invention I know, and no one can steal it from me. My invention, it's mine. No, it's still there. It has a hole in it. It's sinking. Wait. It's dissolving. I feel so proud. Boy, you scared me. Wait, you scared me? Ha! No one can scare me. Looking into the wild, waiting for your best friend to come. And from there, into. If I can find it, into the wild, waiting for your friend to come out and into the wild. Takes a while, but we'll eventually live up to it. I love my dogs so much, I would kick them. With buns. Oh, there you are. Hi. I thought you went in there. Like, look at this. Does this look safe to any of you? It's not safe. Don't try that at home, kids. Dog just shit. Your dog literally just shit. Better not. Oh, wait. Yeah, it did. And it gave birth to a spider. Oh my god. How the frick does that work? You know what? I have one word to say to you, Mr. Spider. You are not allowed to. Mr. Spider, I have one thing I must say to you. You may not grow big. Oh, fuck. What the hell was that? I think I got stabbed. Stabby, stab, stab. I swear, if that was a spider that did that to me, I'm gonna cry. Oh, wait, look, it's sun now. Now we can see it. That's me. Oh. I'm sorry, that's me. Yes, yes. Yes, mommy. Just trying to, Okay, that is all for this bloopers thing for what I did to my poor dog. I know, I need to sacrifice him so badly. I feel bad for him, but at the same time I don't. Okay, but anyway, I'll do this another time. Somewhere, sometime. Don't know when, but I shall see you the next time I do it, whenever that is. No schedules. Bye! And now you see my mirror.